5-1, what are you eating? So the government has created guidelines for how much of various nutrients, vitamins, and minerals a person should eat or drink each day to be healthy. These guidelines are then used to create labels like the one shown above to inform the public about the nutritional content of food. According to the sample label above, one serving of cheesy macaroni and cheese contains 15% of the recommended daily amount of saturated fat that a person should eat. Nutritionists recommend that a person should have no more than a certain amount of saturated fat each day. One serving of cheesy mac has 3 grams of saturated fat. How many grams should a person eat in one day? All right, so let's see what we got going on here. So I know that this cheesy mac has 3 grams of fat in it. And according to this, 3 grams is 15% of all the fat that we should have all day long. All right. So what we want to know is how many grams of saturated fat should a person eat in one whole day? So this is 15% of what we should get. If we want to find out how much we should get in the whole day, so here's what they're really asking me. How much fat can I get for 100% of the day? How can I get from 15% to 100%? Well, I don't know what to multiply 15 by to get to 100, but here's what I do know. I'm going to be sneaky about this, and I'm going to divide this by 3. And the reason I want to divide this by 3, because 15 divided by 3 gives me 5%. And I think I can work that up to 100. Now remember, if I multiply the bottom by 3, then I'm going to multiply the top, or divide the top by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So notice what I did. I wrote down my true statement. 3 grams is 15% of all the fat we should have for the day. I want to find out all day long, so how much should I have for 100% of the day? And then I changed this because I want to get a number that could work up to 100 easier. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now I think I can work this up to 100. So let's see. I can go 5 times 20 because that will get me to 100%. Then I need to multiply this by 20. And if I do that, 5% times 20 is 100%. 1 times 20 is 20. So I know that in a full day that I should only have 20 grams of saturated fat. So notice how I was sneaky. Once again, I wrote down my true statement. I said I want to get to 100 because that would be all the fat I get all day long. And so I had to do, since 15 won't go into 100 evenly, I had to figure out some way to get to a number that would work better. And 5 works a lot better to get me to 100.